transfer pricing will be a key area of audit by the tax authorities. This means that taxpayers with related party transactions, which involve the purchase and sale of goods, the provision of services, as well as intercompany loans and advances, will need to be able to prove to the revenue authorities that their transfer pricing is at arm's length. There are two key changes that taxpayers will need to be aware of with effect from 1st January 2021. Firstly, on penalties. Taxpayers who fail to submit contemporaneous transfer pricing documentation to the tax authorities within 30 days of a request will be subject to penalties of between 20,000 and 100,000 ringgit, and this will apply in respect of each year of assessment. Bear in mind that the time bar period in respect of the raising of assessments or additional assessments by the tax authorities is 7 years. Second is the introduction of the surcharge. Now, taxpayers who are subject to transfer pricing adjustments will be subject to a surcharge of up to 5% in respect of that adjustment. Now, this differs from the system that was applied prior to 1st January 2021 because previously, transfer pricing penalties will only be imposed if there was additional tax payable arising from the transfer pricing adjustment. So companies with unabsorbed tax losses as well as those with incentives will now be subject to the surcharge of up to 5%. My one piece of advice to taxpayers in 2020 is to manage your benchmarking very carefully. This is because when we use profit-based methods in measuring comparability, we'll be using data from companies which may be 1 or 2 years behind that of the tested party. This means that the results of those companies may not actually reflect COVID-19 year. And because of that, adjustments will need to be put through to ensure true comparability for transfer pricing purposes. As such, before you close your books for the year, you will need to make sure that your benchmarking is in order and that appropriate adjustments are put through accordingly. Once your books have been closed, it would be a little late to wait till when you submit your tax returns before you look at your benchmarking studies. As such, be prepared, put through the appropriate adjustments, and at all times, document, document, document. The unique value that BDO brings is our personal relationships. We understand our clients and we work very closely with them in solving their problems. We partner with our clients in ensuring their success. That is the BDO why, and that is the BDO difference.